Hello everyone, welcome back to Python Programming with Akash. I hope that you are doing great and ready to learn something new. This time we will be creating a program to check if a number is odd or even. So let's start. There will be two things that we will be using in this program. The first one is the if-else and the second one is the modulus operator, which is represented by percentage sign. If else you already know because I have covered that in a separate video already. And percentage operator, I will tell you what it does. Basically, percentage operator gives us the remainder after dividing a number with another number. So let us check in Python how this works. 3 percentage 2. The answer is 1. So you can see that it is giving us the remainder after dividing with another number. 3 is being divided by 2 and the remainder is being shown. Now I'll assign a number to a variable and then divide it by another number and let's see what remainder do we get. I'll assign a value of 5 to the variable x percentage 3. So 5 will be divided by 3 and the remainder would be shown here. 5 after being divided by 3 would result into a remainder of 2. So the output should be 2 here. This is the way the percentage operator or the modulus operator works. Now let us move on to the program. I already have a file open. First we will have the user input a number. So I'll take that number in my variable x. Now to check if the number x is odd or even, we will have to divide it by 2. If after dividing by 2 we get a remainder of 0, this means that the number is even, and if we get a remainder of 1, then it means that the number is odd. So we will write the if else to implement this. If x percentage 2 equal to 0, this means that our number will be even. Therefore, I will print x is an even number. And if this condition is false, that means the remainder is not equal to 0. Therefore, the remainder would be 1, which means the output should be x is an odd number. I am saving it and running it. So it's asking us to input a number. I'll input a value of 7. And x being divided by 2 results into a remainder of 1. Therefore, the condition after if becomes false and thus else executes, which results into 7 being an odd number being printed here. Let me try and run it for another input. This time let me try to enter a even number. So 8 being completely divisible by 2 will result into a remainder of 0. Therefore, the condition after if becomes true and therefore 8 is an even number. This is what we get as the output. So you are able to see how simple the implementation of this problem was, and we were able to do this through the simple use of if-else statements. We are assuming that the numbers being entered by the user are integers. We will see some other problems as well as we move forward with other videos. So if you like the content, do give a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There is a small notification bell beside the subscribe button. Do click on that. It will enable you to receive notifications of any video that will be released on my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and stay tuned for the next one.